Okay friends, so we can do this practice either standing or in a seated position. Let's send our arms from left to right. Loop your shoulders just to create some space, palms face down. Let's flip our palms over so that way now they're facing towards the sky and then back on down. So we're gonna keep this action going while trying to keep our arms as straight as possible. Straight and still. We're here for 5, 4, 3, remember to breathe, 2, and 1. Great work. Keeping the arms extended still. We're going to find some side reaches, so reaching on over to the right and then to the left. So as you do this action, imagine that there's glue attached to your bum and it's keeping you nice and anchored in the seated position. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Coming back to center, let's draw some circles with our arms going forward. Keeping the arms nice and straight for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's take it the other way for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend those arms, finding goalpost arms or cactus arms here. Palms facing forward. Let's now close the gap, bring our palms and forearms close together, and then back on up to reset. 5 of those. For 5, 4, breathe, 3, 2, the shoulders may be feeling it by now, 1. Great work, reset. Keeping your arms in cactus arms. Now let's drop our palms towards the earth. So now palms are facing down, kind of like we're giving someone a high five, and then reset, coming back on up. All right, let's do this for 5, 4, 3, I'm feeling the burn, 2, and 1. Great work. Sending the arms from left to right once again. We inhale as we send our hands up and overhead, palms kiss together, and then on an exhale, hands come to heart in prayer position. Let's all take a nice juicy breath in together, and then breathe it on out. Great work today. So definitely, if you're seeking a little bit more, repeat the video, return to this video often, especially if you are looking for some shoulder work, to tone the arms, and to get a little wrist action in there. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Bye for now.